10 interesting animal facts. Elephants have their own social media. They communicate through low-frequency sounds called infrasound. When two porcupines flirt, it's like a delicate dance. They rub noses instead of pricking each other. Kangaroos use their tails as a fifth leg. It's like having a built-in kickstand for hopping around. The axolotl can regenerate entire body parts, including its heart and brain. The ultimate DIY regeneration expert. The archerfish is an underwater sniper. It spits jets of water at insects above the surface to bring them down for lunch. Seahorse dads are true nurturers. They carry and give birth to their offspring, proving that seahorse parenting is a real feat. The stick insect's camouflage game is so strong, it can mimic a twig, fooling even the keenest eyes. Octopuses can open jars from the inside. It's like the Great Escape, Cephalopod edition. Cuttlefish are the ultimate shapeshifters. They change color and texture to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. Cats have a preference for music. It's like having a furry DJ who might enjoy a good feline melody.